This is the first key, and it is the one that changes everything: leverage. Most men were raised on one idea: work hard, outwork everybody, grind until it happens. And here is the painful truth nobody told you: you cannot out-hustle a system. Effort alone is not enough. I learned that the hard way. For years, I was the most overworked man in my own business. If I sat down and did the work, money moved. The week I got busy, everything went quiet. I was the engine. And an engine that has to run every day does not build wealth, it builds burnout. So let me give you a definition you can use for the rest of your life. Leverage is anything that works when you are not in the room. If it only produces when you produce, it is a job. If it produces while you sleep, while you are at dinner, while you are present with your family, that is leverage. There are a few kinds of leverage, and for most of history, only the rich could touch them. Other people's labor, other people's money. But there are two kinds that need no permission and no payroll: content and code, media and automation. Here's what that looks like for me. I record one video. That video works for years, bringing the right people to me while I do nothing. I build automations that follow up with every lead so nobody falls through the cracks while I'm asleep. I built a clone that shows up and speaks when I cannot be everywhere. One me became many. That is the shift. You stop being the engine and you start owning the engine. You stop trading hours and you start building things that pay you back long after the work is done. So here's your move this week. Pick one thing you do over and over and ask a simple question. Can this work without me? If a piece of content can do it, record it once. If a system can do it, automate it once. Build it one time and let it run. Effort built you. Leverage frees you. And freedom is the whole point. Your time, your presence, the legacy you actually came here to build. If this is landing, text legacy keys to 3613012475, and I will show you exactly where to install your first piece of leverage. Like this, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.